Hello and welcome back. Affinity has just released version 3.2 and in this video I'll show you all the new tools. First up we have the Vector Blob Brush Tool. Then finally the Vector Erase Brush Tool. There's now support for color fonts and you can now add custom bullet points. Let's start with the first one, the Vector Blob Brush Tool. I select the tool and draw just like with the paintbrush tool, except that here it's a vector shape straight away, and with the node tool you can make adjustments. And as you can see, you can also expand shapes with this tool. Okay, let's move to the next one. Finally, we have the Vector Erase Brush Tool. This has been one of the most requested tools, and I love it. You can adjust the settings up here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Affinity now supports color fonts. In the description you will find a link to a few color fonts. I got these from another channel, so credit goes to them. Okay, let's move to the next one. You can now also add custom bullet points. To do this, select your text and click on Bulleted List here. Then go to Window, then Text and click on Paragraph. A window will open. You can also embed this window. Under Bullets and Numbering, click on this little symbol and add your custom bullet point. And that's it. If you enjoyed this, please leave a subscribe.